It's a book.
Okay, this is a book.
This is hand painted on the front.
Yeah, that's probably by B. Van Dyke.
No, you'll see who it's by in a moment.
Okay.
Here we go. The entirety, about 12 boxes. In.
Where are you at, Walter?
Thank you.
Here's your soldering iron.
It's nice. All right.
You want to check it or anything?
Yeah, you check it a little bit. Hey, you got it kind of like at an auction. I guess nobody really even used it, huh?
What's that?
This.
This? Oh, I bought a unit recently.
Yeah.
That the person had a lot of nice stuff in.
Wow.
And they just, I think they went hog wild on the internet with their credit card or something, you know, like most people do.
Huh?
Yeah.
Well, this looks like it's new. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
What are you going to do with it?
Well, I'm working on a project. I have a soldering iron, but it's given out on me, and I want something with a variable control.
Yeah.
And I like the analog controls. I don't like those new digital controls because they will give out.
Yeah.
I'm sure this is just fine.
What do you do?
Oh, you know, I do some electronics. This is just a hobbyist and stuff. We're building a tube amp.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, because, you know, I don't want to... Oh, and you're putting a bunch of records up on your site and stuff?
That is one of the next thing I'm working on is records because I got a nice record collection recently.
Oh, yeah? Wow.
And I'll be putting records up for a minute. I put up everything on there. It just depends.
Yeah.
I sell at the flea market. I sell on Craigslist, and I also do like a live auction on my YouTube channel.
Uh-huh.
And
so, you know, some...
Is there anything else you're looking for?
No, not right now, but I'll keep looking on your site.
All right.
All right.
Fair
Hey,
enough.
thanks a minute.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Trip delivery later, whenever it's free.
You want this dresser for $100?
Yeah, this is a nice dresser.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going to take it out.
All right.
Safe space for you.
Come on.
Do you feel like you're wasting your
I
time?
put on Harold's unload me.
That's why we come here, yeah? Yeah, no, it's a beauty. It's got to go. Look at it. Off there and be original. That thing is 18.
Yeah, it's like you.
It's 200 years old.
No, it's not.
No, it's in great shape.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You guys are clickbaiting the whole world right now.
Harold thinks it's 200 years old. Okay, we're going to make a pile of Harold's delivery right here somewhere. Yeah, there you go.
You better call up your boy. This one's not special. He can load this one, right?
Probably flogged him for like $1,000.
Harold, you're slowing progress here.
No, I don't want this one. This one's a Drexel.
Harold's here to get his stuff he bought from Alameda.
Beautiful. And instead he's buying other things.
And now he's buying other stuff. He wants all this to fit in his car.
That's okay.
Ooh. Ladies and gentlemen, we just found
She's on that bed as soon as Mike
Sterling.
She loves him and hates her.
Well, some people break the rules and then wonder why the dog doesn't. That's why you don't break the rules, and then the dog doesn't think it's acceptable. This was just sitting there in a box of books. I'm glad I've been going through these things. I haven't even had a chance to go through all the books, but that's a pound. I don't know. You think it's a pound? Probably not quite a pound, but the pile. They saw the pile.
They saw the pile. The pile is now.
The pile is whittled down to this so far. But
And wait, the car remains empty.
the car remains empty.
Remains empty.
Well, there's a little bit of china.
We got down in the bottom there.
Okay.
Little bit of China. That was 4 boxes. Here we go. The entirety, about 12 boxes, in the trunk.
Wow, all that china.
There is 60 pounds of sterling, plus the china, plus the silver plate. I bet that weighs probably 400 or 500 pounds in there.
Nice.
Hey, he's not heavy. Those boxes were.
He got more in his trunk, Uncle Michael, than you got in that whole trailer over there.
I know.
Uncle Michael's sending a very special note to Mary. Merry Christmas. A little late, but better late than never, right, Uncle Michael?
I told her she's
Look. Oh, look what's
She
inside.
married her the only day to get a toothpick. Love always, Uncle Mike.
Oh, love always.
Look at
She gets her own toothpick. Cherish that always.
Cherish that always. Do you have a toothpick?
No, I didn't get to.
No, and you're in love with Uncle Michael.
I know, I never got to. I'm jealous. Mary, I'm jealous. Who is Mary? Have I met Mary?
Not yet, but Mary has seen you.
This.
Are you teaching me how to do mystery boxes?
No, I'm just suggesting.
Well, here's my idea. Check this out.
Look how this would look.
Can I show you something? What my idea is for my Pirate Booty mystery boxes? is that I have a box, created a cardboard box that comes in various sizes that look like a treasure chest. Like a printing on the,
That would be good. The lion.
It'll say YouTube on it, so everybody, the mailman will look and want to subscribe.
Yeah. That would be brilliant.
See? Yeah.
This is a book.
Okay, this is a book.
Autograph book. This is hand painted on the front.
Yeah, that's probably by B. Van Dyke.
No, you'll see who it's by in a moment.
Okay. It's a beautiful rose.
It's beautifully painted. He's an artist.
Autographs.
Autographs.
It's signed by autographs.
What does that say?
Remembered
Your old friend.
your old professor and true friend, August, Nevada City. Look at that drawing.
Ertz. Look, that's a drawing.
Yeah, it is. Look
Do you
at the
realize that's a drawing?
1886, July 4th.
Yes.
They had a party.
1886. Yes, they did. Look at that, right? Look at his name, okay? He's not the only artist to be at the party.
So we have to see if that artist is worth something.
Oh, most definitely. Yes, look, 1881, another guest at the party, Ruby so-and-so. Look at this guy.
Oh my.
Look at this. A different name, a different artist. Look at the beauty of that. Same data.
This is the same one, A. Ertz.
Nevada City. No, it's not.
August Ertz, yes.
Is it though? Is it the same guy? So look, I thought it was a different name.
Oh man.
Yes, August. No, it's spelled different. He's A.
August Ertz, A. Ertz is what's the...
Oh, okay.
What don't you get? Yeah. See what I deal with, ladies and gentlemen?
It's difficult.
Okay, it's difficult.
He's beautifully.
That is nice.
So let's see if.
What if that is a
Look
$1 million
him up.
painting?
Yeah, but there's more.
Don't touch the page.
No, there's more. There's more.
You turned the page for no reason.
Here. This
It's another
is him
one.
Again. Yes, agreed. It
Oh
is him
my
again.
gosh.
But read
Please.
read what he says. Look at the beautiful.
He must have had a crush because look, it's still the same day. He just keeps drawing.
Should you ever need a friend, think first of me. A count by birth. You hear that?
Yeah.
A scholar by inclination, a captain of the German army by rule,
An artist by destiny.
and
A citizen of the U.S. by free will. Wow. That's
the-
priceless.
Isn't that magnificent?
We have to look this. Let's keep
Isn't that
looking.
magnificent, right?
I'm itching to look up this guy's name.
This guy. Look at the talent.
August.
Who was he?
We're gonna
He's
find that out.
Somebody. He's a count. He's royal blood. All of these people are well-educated people. Look at the way they write. Look at them all. I mean, this is a beautiful book. June 6, 1881. March 23rd. Let's see if August is in here. This is a beautiful. Nevada City, South. 1881, May. This was all done in a matter of a few months. 1882, Nevada City. No more from him. There's a lot. Look at this for intrigue. Everybody's in here, yeah, all the way through every page. This person must have fallen out of favor.
Oh yeah.
Look, two Jesse, but cut off. Look, purposely cut with a pair of scissors out. Do you see that? Isn't that interesting? Lives gone by, people. Ruth. Your friend, R.G. There's just some...
Here's a Frederick Ertz.
It's always so...
He was born in 1862, so he's probably his son.
Could be, but this
Let's see.
guy... Look at his family lineage. Look at this for writing. Look at this for drawing. It's a lovely little book. Oh,
Stayed at Aunt Lily's on, this is Sunday, February 4th, 1906.
so the same day.
Yeah. I can't read it.
100.
I can't read this. Can you? Lily's Cash just went out
Stayed
to
at Aunt
Presidio Heights. Oh, they're in San Francisco for a walk over the back to the Presidio for dinner. Sacred Convicts as Genius Theater made chocolate for the... I'd have no idea what any of this says. But that's what they did on February 4th, 1906. You paid me $100 for allowing you to work here today? Yeah. What about your storage unit?
We don't have to wait. But do you say my spot?
You don't have anything in your storage spot. We've been improving all sorts of areas. They just better all speed service. We got a nice new Wi-Fi printer. Got our station set up. We're going to move our computer over here. We're getting everything. That's pretty dope. I don't know if you guys remember me finding that recently, but I told you I was hanging that up in my house. Trying to revamp and everything. Trying to get my background ready for the YouTube lives. Just getting everything squared away for mass production. And we're going to set this up and see what this thing looks like. A box inside of a box. Dang it. Well, I thought we got a simple little light box. Turns out we got to put this together. So let's get this together. And then I guess we can see what this baby looks like. Jeez. Ha. Well, this went well. Cut my hand on the edge of one of these bars. This is what it's like already putting a light box together. And it's all done, put together. I think this may increase the chance of making really nice eBay ads. We're going to see, but this thing is pretty nice.